This is my good buddy Jack. He loves to eat, sleep, and he absolutely hates kisses. But one thing he does love more than life is his cat treats.
Come on, Jack. What's that? Temptation. That's how much he loves them.
Let's see that again in slow motion.
Oh, he wants it. He wants it. Oh, you want it? Want the temptation? Oh, see, look. See, he's coming out. He loves them. Oh, he wants them. Temptations. I love temptations. I love them. I want them. I want them. I want them. Okay, here, I'll give you a cookie. Right? Come here. No, don't get out of my hand. Sit. Okay, good. Sit. No. Sit first. Down. Down. Good. Down. What do you say? You like temptation? Is it good? Is it good? What do you say about temptations? You like temptations? Temptation's good? Temptation's good. It's good, isn't it? It's good. Oh, you're so cute.